The perfect car for each person looks different. Some people dream of a fast sports car, while others prefer luxury limousines or even the most practical and reliable crossovers. However, for billionaires, choosing a car is not just a matter of personal preference, it's a matter of status and prestige. In addition, they can't be limited to one model. One can even create interesting tours along the garages of these people because the coolest cars in the world can be found there. In our today's episode, I will show you the cars of the most famous billionaires from all around the world. The co-founder of Oracle Company, which is engaged in software development, Larry Ellison, is one of the richest and most successful people in the world. Like many other billionaires, he loves expensive and exclusive things. So, he pays a lot of attention to the choice of cars. One of the most impressive cars in the collection of Larry Ellison is the Lexus LFA Nürburgring Edition. There are only 50 cars of this model in the world. This unique model is equipped with a 5-liter V10 engine, which accelerates the car to 100 kilometers per hour in less than 4 seconds. The maximum speed of this car is 320 kilometers per hour. In addition, there are a lot of cars in Larry Ellison's garage that will make any car enthusiast envious. One of the billionaire's main points of pride is his McLaren F1. As you can see, it has a rather original design. The driver's seat is located in the middle of the car, and 2 passengers can comfortably accommodate on the sides. The supercar accelerates to 100 kilometers per hour in 3 seconds, and its maximum speed is 370 kilometers per hour. Larry also ordered a custom version of the Audi R8, which has the R8 GT tag on it. There are only 333 cars of this model all around the world. The R8 GT has an advanced V10 engine, which has the power of 560 horsepower. This model has an improved braking system, carbon body parts, as well as a special spoiler and diffuser, which makes the car even more aerodynamic and sporty. His Acura NSX is a Japanese high-end sports car. It was also customized to suit Larry's taste. It is equipped with a hybrid system that includes a 35-liter V6 engine, as well as 3 electric motors, the total power of which is more than 570 horsepower. Larry Ellison's custom model has improved engine performance and a unique design. Extensive carbon trim, custom wheels, and other details have given the car a more aggressive look. Bill Gates is known for his very modest lifestyle, at least for a billionaire. As for cars, he prefers classics and rare cars with an interesting history. His car collection includes the rarest models. Since Bill Gates is a well-known philanthropist and he is seriously concerned about environmental problems, most of his cars are electric or hybrid. For several years, the billionaire used the Ford Focus car as his main vehicle, which was modified to run on compressed natural gas, CNG. This innovation has significantly reduced emissions of harmful substances into the atmosphere, as well as allows to significantly save on fuel. Yes, billionaires are very good at counting money and know well what saving is. In 1991, Bill Gates purchased a Mercedes S-Class, which at that time was considered one of the most prestigious cars and a symbol of luxury and comfort. It is equipped with a powerful V8 gasoline engine with a volume of 5 liters, with a capacity of 322 horsepower. Its interior is upholstered in leather and equipped with a number of technological innovations that were considered a luxury at that time. For example, there was an automatic air conditioning system, cruise control, electrically adjustable seats and mirrors, a high-quality audio system, and much more. Back in 1979, when Bill Gates was a young aspiring entrepreneur, he purchased a Porsche 911 Carrera. The style of this car model was unique and easily recognizable thanks to its rounded headlights and sporty body. In 2012, he sold this Porsche at auction for $80,000, which he donated to charity. Jeff Bezos is the founder and head of Amazon. He is known as one of the richest people in the world, who has a huge collection of cars, where you can find extremely rare and exclusive models. If you walk into his garage, you can find a rare Ferrari Pininfarina Sergio sports car, released in honor of the famous Italian designer Sergio Pininfarina. It was a limited edition of only 6 copies, custom-made for the most famous customers. This model was created on the basis of the Ferrari 458 Spider, but had an exclusive design created by Pininfarina. The pride of Bezos' car collection is a limited edition Bugatti Veyron, produced by the Mansory Tuning Company. The car was redesigned with the help of unique parts, including gold elements, and received a more powerful engine that allowed it to accelerate to speeds of over 400 kilometers per hour. The cost of this car was estimated at almost $3 million, which made this car one of the most expensive in the world. His Dewey Motors Lycan Hypersport is a very rare and exclusive car. There are only 7 of them in the world. Its incredibly powerful engine of 750 horsepower accelerates the car to 100 kilometers per hour in less than 3 seconds. The interior is decorated with precious stones, and the cost of this exclusive model is estimated at almost $35 million. While the Koenigsegg CCXR Trevita is an even rarer and more expensive car. The power of its engine is 1,020 horsepower. And the price almost reaches $5 million. There are only 3 cars of this model in the world. The model is made using a special diamond coating technology. This amazing collection of cars is perfectly complemented by the Lamborghini Veneno. This model was released in honor of the 50th anniversary of the Lamborghini company. This car has a very bright and aggressive design. It is made in the style of a fighter plane and has many different aerodynamic elements to improve handling and maximum speed. Elon Musk is a very extraordinary person, and this can be seen even in his collection of cars. Despite his obsession with modern technology, Elon is an ardent fan of classic cars. In 2018, he bought an old BMW 320i and restored it to its original form. The engine has been modified and improved. The jewel of his collection is the Ford Model T. This is one of the most significant cars in history, which was produced in the period from 1908 to 1927. This car had a number of innovative technical solutions for that time, such as a front starter replacing a manual system, a rigid frame, and a chain drive. But the most unique car in the collection of Elon Musk is the Lotus Esprit submarine. This submarine car was specially custom-made for use in The Spy Who Loved Me movie. Since Musk is an ardent fan of James Bond, he couldn't resist when this car was put up for auction and bought for $866,000. The Lotus Esprit submarine is equipped with a variety of functions necessary for diving, including engine switching, a waterproof hull, and a life support system for passengers. But still, Musk is not the hero of a spy movie, and it is very important to make the car comfortable and practical in real life. Therefore, Elon also has an Audi Q7, which received the title of Best SUV, according to Car and Driver magazine, in 2017. In his collection, one can also find one of the best sports sedans, BMW M5, which accelerates to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3 seconds. Recently, a photo appeared online showing Elon Musk getting into a brand new Bugatti Bolide Milano. This car has record-breaking characteristics. It accelerates to 100 kilometers per hour in just 2 seconds. And now let's take a look at Mark Zuckerberg's garage and see what the Facebook creator drives. For his daily trips, the billionaire often used his Honda Fit. This is a fairly practical and multifunctional car, which is quite spacious for its class. The rear seats can be easily folded to increase the luggage space. Oddly enough, this is not a very expensive car, which also has high fuel efficiency. The idea seems to be the following. Mark did not try to surprise anyone, and once again remind them of his wealth. He just drives a car that he likes. In 2014, he purchased a Volkswagen Golf GTI. Despite its aggressive and dynamic design, this sports car is much slower than those we've seen before. It accelerates to 100 kilometers per hour in less than 6 seconds. Now let's take a look at Pagani Huayra, which he bought in the same year. This is an Italian supercar with a unique design and technical characteristics. The car is equipped with a 3-liter V12 engine from Mercedes-AMG, which develops a power of 730 horsepower. This engine accelerates the car to 100 kilometers per hour in 3 seconds. The maximum speed of the sports car is 370 kilometers per hour.